Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I appreciate the affirmative vote on House Bill 141, which is also known as Eileen's Law. On June the 7th, 2014, we lost a grandmother, a mother of 8 children, including 4 teenage boys. She was incarcerated in the Berks County prison as a consequence of the truancy of her teenage sons. This bill doesn't address all that went on in Berks County, which incidentally we had over the course of the last 15 or 20 years. We've had over 2,000 episodes where guardians, parents, grandmothers, grandfathers have been committed to the Berks County prison as a consequence of the truancy of those that were under their charge. I assert to you that we can do better, and removing the most responsible person in the lives of these children and grandchildren and taking them out of that home only exacerbates the problem of truancy. And this extends to littering or other summary offenses where somebody ends up in prison. September the 22nd of this past year, we had a hearing on this issue, and our own district attorney, John Adams from Berks County, testified in adult criminal court if somebody couldn't pay a fine, unless there were other extenuating circumstances, they wouldn't be put in jail. But magisterial district justices are committing parents and grandparents to jail as a consequence of truancy. This isn't the end. This is the beginning. I've worked with my 2 colleagues from Berks County who have part of the urban core with me on this issue, and the Joint State Government Commission, the Truancy Advisory Committee, will be working on this issue of truancy and consequences for truancy. This is a statewide problem. We may be more in the news. We've been in the Washington Post, the Huffington Post, the New York Daily News as a consequence of the death of Eileen DiNino. That work is going to be ongoing through October. There'll be a conclusion, and hopefully we can come back here and do more legislative business. They'll be meeting next Friday, March the 6th. If any of you are interested in intersecting with that meeting or need more information, I'd be pleased to provide it. We need a more holistic approach in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania when it comes to truancy. And I hope fruit is born of that effort. And I want to thank my distinguished colleague, Representative Rozzi, for joining me here today. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.